Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make spring rolls. They are not your traditional spring rolls. I call them sweet spring rolls. Leave a message below, let me know what you would call them. I actually had at my friend's house some time ago, and she made it with the spring roll wrappers, but I'm gonna use wonton wrappers to make mini spring rolls. Spring rolls in Chinese, 春卷. 春 means spring, 卷 is roll. So let me show you the ingredients. It's so fun to make them. I have 1 pack of wonton wrappers. So wonton wrappers are square like this, versus the dumpling wrappers is round and thicker. And I also have a peanut butter spread. If you're allergic to peanuts, use almond butter. I also have sweet wrapping paste. And let's wrap. I'll start with the peanut spread. Of course, you guys know I love peanuts. So just take a little bit spread, dip some. And roll it. Now we dab some water. Fold it towards the center. And roll it like this. It's a spring roll. Let's make one with the red bean paste. Put it in the center, towards yourself, wrap it, and roll once, dab some water, fold it towards the center, this, and roll. Okay, we separate them. Peanuts, it's wrapping. I will continue to make them. Make one more. So we have 8. 8 is good number for Chinese. 8 is ba. Sounds like a fa, which means fortunate. So I'm going to make 8. So here we are. And we're going to pan fry them. You can also bake them. Just brush some oil and bake them. We heat up a fry pan to high and add some oil. Putting spring rolls. They are the peanuts ones. These are the sweet red bean. First, we just coat both sides with oil. Then we let it cook 1 minute each side and flip until they are golden brown. Make sure you flip them once in a while so they cook evenly on both sides. After a few minutes, they're all golden brown on both sides, and the spring rolls are ready. Smells so good. I cannot wait to eat it. This is a peanut one. So delicious. Let's try the sweet wrapping. So good. Crunchy, sweet, delicious. It's such good appetizers and so much fun to make it. I will continue to make more. You can also save in the freezer. Please try to make it. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.